Alright, so I sprayed up on top of the hood, you know, above the fan. And look at that. You can see the drips from my spray with the grease on it already. Alright, so I will admit I have done every cleaning in the house, and this is what's left. And it's because, oh, it's going to be a pain. And here's why. On all of these tiles, the cabinets that are close to it, on the wall, and down by the stove here, they are just covered in grease. Yeah, it's just caked on. So I am not looking forward to cleaning this at all. Like I said, everything, it's hard to see, but there's grease splatters on everything. Oh, yeah, that's not too bad. Oh, all right. Well, I got a bunch of oven cleaner, found the grill cleaner, and some Fantastik, oh, gloves and scrub brushes. So here goes. All right, I got the burner grates all cleaned up, and then I have the center ones, and then the burner, I'm not sure what they're called. You know what I mean? Those covers that help deflect the gas. And now I can kind of start cleaning this all off. Well, that is something I do not want to ever do again. My gosh, 3.5 hours. And I had to go literally all the way up on the tile. The tile was full of grease. The inside tile was covered in grease. The hood vent, everything inside of here. All corners, all angles. Filters were full of grease. I definitely got most of the dirt and the grease out. I mean, it's not perfect, but it is way better than what it was before. I also did the front, the bottom, and I did go and do some on the inside. It does have a self-cleaning setting, so I'll have to look for the model number and find the manual for it so I know how to do it. I have some stainless steel polish back home, so all I had was window cleaner right now, so it's a little streaky, but it's definitely cleaner. Now, one thing I did notice, kind of an oops, well, I guess in my flurry of cleaning, I actually kind of wiped off some of the words. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to look at that manual, and you know, maybe I'm gonna be writing it with Sharpie back on there. Oh well. Like I said, it's clean. I was dreading that. It's all good now.